Today in this video I'll explain you about the sequence formula in Excel. So this is the most useful formula and you must watch the video till end. So please subscribe for more useful videos. In case you want to learn about the top 10 Excel formulas or new Excel formulas, then check the video link in the description below. So let's start with the sequence formula. Equal to sequence. Let's say I want in rows 1 to 5 in a serial number. In that case, just give 5 and close the bracket, because your rows argument will be compulsory and other arguments are optional. So now you can see here by default it will be numbered as 1 to 5. Later you can copy and paste special, or you can modify the format the way you want. Now in that case I want in a columnar format, let's say 1 to 10. In this case you have to modify the formula. In that case, let's say I want in columnar format 1 to 10, my rows will be 1. So now it will be by default it will be numbered 1 to 10. In case you want to split to 2 columns or more than 2 columns, you can modify that by giving 2. So it will be changed accordingly. So by default your starting point is 1 and it will increase 1 by 1. In case you want to modify that, let's say I want starting point as 10 or starting point as 5. Let's say starting point as 5. So now it will start from 5. Now every time it is increasing by 1, let's say I want to increase by 2. Then give comma and 2. So every time it will increase by 2. In case you want the reverse way, let's say minus 1. So every time it will decrease 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you can change the formula according to your requirement and you can modify. So let's say now you want to modify the text. Now you have learned about the numbers. Let's modify or auto text the Excel. I'll give you one example. Let's say you want to combine and you want to disclose as January, February, March in the formula. In that case, let's say equal to text, date, year. Let's say I will consider as today. Sequence. I have to modify the sequence formula. Sequence. Let's say starting from 1 to I want till June. I want 1. Let's say I want in which format? I want in MMM format. You have to give it double quote. So now it will be mentioned as January, February, March, April, May, June, right? In case you want to make to December, simply you have to go and you have to change that to 12. So automatically January to December it will be text. In case you want to split into 2 columns, let's say I want June and then in the down I want from July. So now it will be changed accordingly. Similarly, you can modify the text as per your requirement. If you want to learn about the top 10 formulas where I have explained about the text formula, other formulas and about the new formulas and functions, you can check the video link in the description below. Please subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching and please leave a comment what you learned today. Thanks for watching.